Hello guys, welcome to JM505 computer service from Bangkok, Thailand. So today I'll teach you how to remove if you have suspect virus in your computer and you don't have an antivirus program. Then today I'm going to show you a useful Windows tool which you can use to remove your viruses for free. This tool name is Malicious software removal tool. You can get to it by searching in your start menu in the search box, typing the full name, or you can just type MRT. Once you do that, just hit enter. Guys, this is not a full-fledged antivirus program. This is useful to scan for the most widespread viruses for Windows. So as a program itself will tell you it's not meant to replace your regular antivirus program, and it does not do automatic schedule. So all you have to do once you present it with this kind of menu, you have to just click next, just quick scan and click next. So you can see guys, it started checking and also scanning if there is any viruses in my computer. Guys, this is a very easy and quick way to get rid of any viruses in your computer very quickly. So for some reasons you don't have an antivirus, which you should have, then you can definitely go and check this tool. Okay, so here's the result. So there is no virus detected in my computer. So I hope guys you find this video very helpful, and if you somehow don't have an antivirus program, this is definitely another thing you can try. So do let me know if this really works for you, and if you guys like this video, be sure to give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe and share, and please consider to press the bell icon so you can have the future notification from us. Thank you so much and have a good one.